Hello and welcome to today's daily vlog. The weather's not so good today. I think it rained in the night. I took Molly in the garden when I first got up, and there was the ground was wet then. I'll quickly show you what it looks like outside. It's quite dull. Got some rain cloud over here, and then I don't like how that contrasts out there with the grey cloud. It's really, I think it's on and off sort of rain. Not great, but yeah, I don't think I need to go to the shop or anything. I just need to go and take Molly for a walk. But yeah, we're going to do that in a bit. And then, don't really know what I'd like to do today. Gonna go for a walk, Mum. Molly. Molly. Go for a walk. Oi. Molly. So we're now going to go for a walk. I've just started a phone call, so I've got to keep quiet. But yeah, we're going to go for a walk. I think I might go for a good one today. So yeah, let's go. Literally just got in the car to go for the walk, and the sun started to come out just over here. You kind of can't see it, you can see it a little bit, just sort of like there. It might not stay out for long, but it's kind of bright now, and hopefully it'll brighten up a bit when we get there. I'm going to go to the the dog walk park around the industrial estate, and go for a walk there. We just got to the walk and it's now started to rain. Yeah, I think I'm going to wait in the car to see if it'll stop a bit, and then we'll go and head out for the walk. Molly is in the car just here. And yeah, we'll head out in a bit. I'm just going to let this rain stop so we don't get too wet. I think it's starting to stop now, but yeah, it's not great. I had to walk in the rain. I forgot my own jacket, but I've got a raincoat in the boot. It's just a pain in the neck. And just look how heavy it's raining now. Gone from one level of rain to another. It's like getting heavier, not lighter. How heavy it's getting. You can probably hear it as well on the glass now, just how heavy it is. It might be a spot of lightning just over there. And an old couple just walk that way. I mean, they can barely walk as it is. They take really small steps, and they've just gone walking off up there. So they're going to be drenched by the time they get back. And I think they only go for the short one. I think they only go up to the end of this path, and they come back. Look how heavy it is now. So yeah, I think they want Molly to get in that wet, so we'll wait a bit longer to see if it stops. Yeah, I feel sorry for that old couple that have just gone up there because they're going to be soaked by the time they get back, and they don't walk very fast. So yeah, I feel a bit sorry for them really. So it stopped raining a bit. We managed to get a bit of a walk. I just went on a short one just because I didn't want to get caught out again or anything. We just had a short walk in the end. Gonna head home now. But yeah, I wish we could have had a bit of a longer walk, but with the rain, I didn't think it was so much of a good idea. But at least it's had a bit of a walk. Don't you, Mo? Hey? So I'm going to head home now. It's gone about 4 o'clock. Yeah, it's gone about 4. I usually do tea at about 5:30, sort of like. I usually try and have it ready for about 6. So, pardon me. I'm heading home now. I'm going to have bolognese pasta bake with garlic bread. And then for tomorrow, I've got some toad in the hole with chips. So I'm looking forward to that. But anyway, I'm gonna head home. She keeps chasing me everywhere. Molly! Oh shit, I need the drum. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, this way. Come on. Molly, I've got to change this bed in. Right, I've got to change this bedding for my mum. And she's being naughty. She's on the bed now. Okay, I'm going to get this done and then we'll watch some YouTube, or it should be time to do dinner by then. It's now 4:30, so yeah, probably do this and then watch a bit of YouTube and then go and do dinner. Well, so I just had dinner, had the bolognese pasta bake with garlic bread. Now that I'm getting night earlier, it's getting dark earlier in the evenings, getting this sort of like yellow tint around. No, it's like the, might be with that poster I've got up on the wall there, but yeah, it's starting to look eveningish, and like we're getting darker in the evenings now, so it can't be that long until the clocks change. I think it's next month. Yeah, it's kind of a weird year this year, with everything that's going on and everything. Just hoping that everyone's going to be able to have a nice Christmas, because I'm guessing Christmas is going to be a lot different this year as well. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to watch a bit of YouTube. My video from yesterday should have gone live like 40 minutes ago, so I was going to make sure that's all uploaded and live, and then just watch a bit of YouTube for the evening. Oh, so it's just gone 9:15. Got all my jobs done a bit early tonight, which was good. You can see all the kitchen's all tidy, wiped all the sides down, had a bowl of cereal. I always have a bowl of cereal in the evening, a bit of like a supper sort of thing. But yeah, Molly's on the sofa again. I'm not going to go in there again because it is disturbed. But yeah, it's 9:18, so I'm going to end today's video here. So don't forget, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell so you always get notified when I upload new videos. And I'll see you tomorrow at 6 PM. So don't forget, if you dream it, believe it, achieve it. Good night.